Hello, in today's video we'll be replacing an air filter on a Subaru Impreza. And this is a new replacement filter that we'll be installing. And this is one of the easiest pieces to replace on your car, and replacing this can save you a lot of money in the long run. And believe it or not, some people completely forget about replacing their vehicle's air filter. And just like the owner of this vehicle who says it's been years since it's been replaced. So I guess we'll see how bad this air filter can get after a few years. And this vehicle's air filter is located inside this airbox. And the first thing we gotta do is unhook these two tabs. And next we gotta spread open the airbox a bit. And once you got enough room, you can remove the old air filter. And I guess this is what a couple-year-old air filter looks like. And a dirty air filter like this can rob you of fuel economy. This will cost you more on gas in a few days than the price of the air filter itself. Now this is one dirty air filter, you can't even see the light through it. And this is what the new one looks like. And now to reinstall the new air filter is just the reverse. And once you got it in place, all you gotta do is click the tabs back in. And now just a quick check, and that about does it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing.